In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Chromium browser on your Windows 10 or 11. So for it, just go to any browser and search for Chromium browser. After that, you just need to go down and you need to look for Softonic. Here you can see Softonic, chromium.en.softonic.com. So you need to click here, and here you can see download Chromium, free download for PC. So you need to click on this, and then here you can see Windows 64bit.exe. So I'm going to click here and it will start downloading a exe file, and there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the exe file, and if something like this appear, just click over here, run anyway, don't worry, Chromium is totally fine. And there you can see it install the Chromium over here. So here you can search anything you want. Chromium is basically Google. Once you open Chromium, it will open the Google and you can search whatever you want over here. So yeah, this is how we can install Chromium on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.